what's up? This is Danny, the Wicked Awesome Gardener, coming at you from the Wicked Awesome Grow Room. And I wasn't going to shoot a video today, but guess what happened? We hit 100 subscribers! Woo! Yeah, I don't dance. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you everyone for following along. I'm really hoping that you're finding a lot of value in what I'm putting out here. I know I'm having a great time. Hopefully you're having a great time too. So yeah, thank you so much. And so that this isn't just a, hey, we hit 100 subscribers, woo, video. I'm going to take you on a short tour and just show you how things are growing because, woo, I'm starting to run out of room. So here are the Wicked Awesome dogs. Hi, Mia. Are you a good girl? Can you sit? What a good girl. And here's Mr. Bo. Hi, Bobo. Oh, Bo is such a good boy. Enough of these adorable faces, though. Let's look at the plants. So I still have not gotten to potting up this sage. It's just kind of doing pretty well here, so I'm leaving it for the moment. But look at all this basil. Whoa! So much basil. I'm very excited. I really wanted a lot of basil for my sale. Some of them are even starting to get that first set of real leaves. You can see some of these others are starting to get theirs. There is the broccoli and the Brussels sprouts. But the real story is, check out these tomatoes. Not even 3 weeks, and look at how much they've grown. Nice strong stems. These are going to be transplanted up very soon. So yeah, we have a whole forest of tomato plants. There's our Romas and Serranos, beefsteak, early girl, pink brandy wine, mortgage lifter, rose, great white, the black beauties. There is the first set of eggplant that we planted. Those are doing really well. Check out all these peppers, man. These are the California Wonder bell peppers. And actually, these right here are jalapenos. Those are bell peppers. Those are all bell peppers. Look at them all. Let's see. There's all my onions. They're going to need a haircut. And there's some of the sage that I potted up. It's not doing as well, oddly enough, as the sage that's over here all tangled with the rest. So we're going to let these get a little bit bigger and then we'll transplant them and see how they do. As you can see from these trees, we've had a pretty good windstorm going on all day. It's starting to die down now. There was a lot of trees down, trash blowing everywhere this morning, and it's about 35 degrees out there. But here in the grow room, you can see it's a balmy 76, 77 degrees. And it's not that warm because I keep the heat up that high in my house. As I said, this is a heated sun porch. We do have a heat register back here. But I only keep the heat on at about 64, 65 degrees when I'm out of the house all day for work. The sun coming into this room just heats it up, makes it nice and toasty, and it's nearly 80 degrees. It's like a little oasis here, and I love it. This is my Zen room, I'll tell you. So that's it, just a little tour and a big, big thank you. If you're watching this and you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel. We would be so excited to have you, and I'm just so excited about the growth. Just come along with us. Come on, be my buddy. I guess that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, please click here for more content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really excited to go through this journey with you while we grow something wicked awesome from yard to table.